What if I told you that your body isn't a fixed machine, but a piece of biological software that you can actually rewrite? Most people accept fatigue, brain fog, and aging as normal parts of life. But in the world of functional nutrition and biohacking, these aren't just symptoms-theory data points. We are entering an era where you no longer have to guess why you feel the way you do. By combining the rigorous science of functional medicine with the DIY experimental spirit of biohacking, you can optimize your human operating system for peak performance. Today, we're moving beyond basic dieting and stepping into the world of total biological optimization. Functional nutrition is the practice of using food as information, not just fuel. It looks at how every nutrient interacts with your unique genetic expression. Biohacking takes this a step further, utilizing technology, lifestyle interventions, and targeted supplementation to hack your internal environment. Together, they form a powerful framework called the Quantified Self. Instead of following a one-size-fits-all pyramid, we use data like blood work and DNA testing to tailor your lifestyle to your specific needs. In the next 5 chapters, we will break down the pillars of this movement, from your mitochondria to your metabolic flexibility.
Welcome to Health 600's Noble Science in 600 seconds. Your life-changing 10 minutes. Let's go!
Chapter 1: The Mitochondrial Engine. Every thought you have, every step you take, and every beat of your heart depends on one thing: ATP. This energy currency is produced by your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells. In functional nutrition, we view mitochondrial dysfunction as the root of almost all chronic fatigue and premature aging. To optimize these engines, we focus on clean-burning fuels. This means eliminating industrial seed oils and processed sugars that cause oxidative stress, the biological equivalent of soot in your engine. Instead, we flood the body with antioxidants like CoQ10 and PQQ, while utilizing biohacks like red light therapy and cold exposure. These stressors trigger mitogenesis, creation of new, more efficient mitochondria. When your cellular energy is high, your cognitive clarity, physical endurance, and mood stabilize naturally. You aren't just eating healthy. You are providing the precise molecular inputs required for your cells to generate maximum power without the inflammatory fallout. Chapter 2: The Gut-Brain Axis, your second command center. Modern biohacking recognizes that the gut is far more than a digestive tube. It is the second brain. Your microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living within you, produces over 90 of your serotonin and 50 of your dopamine. If your gut is inflamed, your brain is on fire. Functional nutrition prioritizes the integrity of the intestinal lining to prevent leaky gut, a condition where undigested food particles enter the bloodstream, triggering systemic inflammation and brain fog. We hack the gut through a remove, replace, re-inoculate protocol. This involves removing inflammatory triggers like gluten and A1 casein, replacing missing digestive enzymes, and reintroducing diverse bacterial strains through fermented foods and high-quality probiotics. Furthermore, we look at the vagus nerve highway between the gut and brain. Biohackers use techniques like deep diaphragmatic breathing and gargling to stimulate the vagal tone, ensuring the signals sent from the gut to the brain are ones of safety and calm. When your gut is optimized, your mental health follows suit, leading to sharper focus and a more resilient nervous system. By treating the microbiome as a complex ecosystem rather than just a digestion site, we unlock a level of cognitive performance that caffeine alone could never provide. Chapter 3: Metabolic Flexibility, the Art of Fuel Switching. By mastering your insulin response, you don't just lose weight, you protect your brain from neurodegenerative diseases and maintain a level of steady energy that lasts from the moment you wake up until you hit the pillow. Chapter 4: Quantified Self, Data-Driven Wellness. Wearables like the Oura Ring or Whoop strap provide daily insights into your heart rate variability, HRV, the most significant metric for measuring your autonomic nervous system's stress levels. If your HRV is low, your biohacker move isn't a hard workout. It's a recovery-focused day with meditation and extra sleep. We also dive into nutrigenomics study of how your genes respond to nutrients. For example, if you have the MTHFR gene mutation, your body may struggle to process standard folic acid, requiring methylated B vitamins instead. This level of personalization is the hallmark of functional nutrition. It's about moving away from the latest diet trend and moving toward what works for my specific DNA. We also look at environmental factors, such as air quality and EMF exposure, using sensors to ensure your home environment isn't sabotaging your biology. By quantifying your sleep, your stress, and your blood chemistry, you gain an unprecedented level of control over your health trajectory, catching potential issues years before they manifest as disease. This data-driven approach removes the emotional guesswork from wellness and replaces it with actionable biological facts. Chapter 5: The Longevity Blueprint, Small Hacks, Big Results. Biohacking and functional nutrition culminate in the pursuit of health span, ensuring that you don't just live long, but that you stay functional and vibrant until the very end. This involves the concept of hormesis, beneficial stress. By exposing the body to controlled amounts of cold ice baths or heat saunas, we trigger survival genes that repair DNA and clear out cellular debris, a process called autophagy. This is the ultimate goal of the biohacker: a life of optimized vitality, clarity, and purpose. Don't just watch, take action right now. I have already shortlisted the exact products and tools you need to secure your results. Scan the video description below to get your protocol hardware today.
This is Health 600s, and I'll see you in the next 600 seconds.
Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe,